In a world of financial chaos, a young investor named Benji felt completely lost and overwhelmed. His search for clarity led him to Professor Graham, a wise teacher of timeless investment principles. The professor explained that investing should be treated with business-like seriousness, not as entertainment. Benji noticed speculators everywhere, chasing quick profits without understanding what they were buying. Then Professor Graham introduced Mr. Market, the imaginary business partner with wild emotional swings. Some days, Mr. Market arrived euphoric, offering ridiculously high prices for everything. Other days, he arrived desperately depressed, willing to sell treasures for mere pennies. "The secret," whispered the professor, "is that you're free to ignore Mr. Market's offers whenever you choose." Benji learned he should be greedy when others were fearful, and fearful when others were greedy, and exercise caution when everyone else was throwing money at the latest investment fad. The intelligent investor focuses on the underlying business value, not the fluctuating stock price, the professor emphasized. Benji discovered the most important concept in investing, the margin of safety. Always buy at a price significantly below your estimate of intrinsic value, the professor repeated. This margin protects against errors in judgment, bad luck, or unexpected market downturns. Benji watched speculators who bought at any price, hoping to sell to someone else for more. When the music stopped, these speculators were left holding worthless items. The investor's chief problem and worst enemy is likely to be himself, the professor warned. Benji learned about diversification, not keeping all your eggs in one basket. But remember, cautioned the professor, diversification without understanding is no protection at all. Benji discovered the power of dollar-cost averaging, investing fixed amounts at regular intervals. This automatic approach took advantage of Mr. Market's mood swings without emotional involvement. He learned that in the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it's a weighing machine. The essence of investment management is risk management, not return management, the professor taught. Benji met two types of investors, the defensive and the enterprising. For most people, advised the professor, the defensive approach is the wisest and most practical. The defensive investor seeks safety, reasonable returns, and freedom from constant worry. The enterprising investor does more research and takes more calculated risks for potentially higher returns. Benji learned about inflation, the silent thief that erodes purchasing power over time. This is why keeping money safe in cash can be one of the riskiest strategies long-term, the professor explained. He discovered the miracle of compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world. Benji learned to avoid popular hot stocks that everyone was talking about. "What's obvious is obviously wrong," the professor quoted, explaining the paradox of popular investments. He studied economic moats, competitive advantages that protect businesses from competitors. Benji learned to read financial statements to understand a business's true health. "Focus on the balance sheet strength," advised the professor, not just the income statement glamour. He understood that price is what you pay, but value is what you get. Benji learned to beware of overconfidence, which often leads investors to take excessive risks. He discovered that market timing was a fool's game, even though it looked tempting. "More money has been lost reaching for yield than at the point of a gun," the professor warned about risky high-return promises. Benji learned the importance of having an investor's temperament, patience, and discipline. He understood that successful investing is about consistency over time, not occasional brilliance. Benji learned to ignore financial media noise that tried to provoke emotional reactions. "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient," the professor quoted Warren Buffett. He learned that bear markets, while frightening, presented the best buying opportunities. and that bull markets, while exciting, often contained the seeds of future problems. Years passed, and Benji applied these principles consistently through all market conditions. He watched his careful investments grow steadily, protected by margins of safety and powered by compounding. One day, a new investor approached with the same questions Benji once asked Professor Graham. Benji pointed to Mr. Market, who was currently doing backflips while shouting absurd prices. And so the wisdom was passed on, proving that intelligent investing creates not just wealth, but also peace of mind and financial freedom.